Namaste, friends. I would like to share a wonderful meditation practice called open-eyed meditation. Yes, I repeat, open-eyed meditation. Friends, let's understand life is nothing but a flow of experiences. When you contact the world, that's an experience. When you come and connect with the world, that's an experience. And the flow of experience is called life. These great yogis highlighted as Anubhava Dhara. Anubhava means experience, Dhara means a flow. So life is nothing but a flow of experiences. The world seems to be improving all the time. The individual is one which needs to be looked into for their betterment. So when you improve the quality of your emotions, your quality of your thoughts, your quality of your actions, everything about your life improves. So without improving the emotions, the quality of your emotions, thoughts and actions, nothing about our life is going to improve. The quality of experience may not improve because you are not working on the cause, which is your mind and intellect. So when you improve on your mind and intellect, we did discuss in this meditation series the various practices suggested. You are able to purify your mind. You are able to improve the clarity in thinking. Your actions becomes dynamic, and it is then you see the world in a different light altogether. What these masters call it as ascharya, a wonderment. You see the world without any ego, without any doership, without any judgment, without any preconceived notion. There is an excitement, there is a joy, there is a freshness to every experience. You treat each day in a different way. As I mentioned, what they call as ascharya, the Bhagavad Gita call ascharya. There's a wonderment, there's a joy. That is open-eyed meditation. When you're open, when your eyes are open, and when you are in the world, there is a certain sense of inclusiveness. There's a certain sense of togetherness. You are able to identify in a much deeper level, not at the physical level. You are able to see that oneness. So more and more you are able to purify your mind. The greater is your potential of open-eyed meditation. See, if a person is least evolved spiritually, they need a magic. They need something out of the hat, out of the hand, so that they feel, oh, there's something phenomenal in it. Little more evolved, you are able to understand life in a better way. And if you are evolved in a very profound manner, you are able to even peel a banana. The way my guru used to highlight it, he said you can peel a banana and go into raptures, or you could see daffodils and write exquisite poetry. So you are evolved in a very profound way. You are able to see everything in the purest way, that is in a divine way. That is what open-eyed meditation is all about. I would strongly suggest that you work on yourself, whereby your experiences of the world becomes pure, genuine, spiritual. And when that aspect, when you're able to practice open-eyed meditation, there's a lot of internal cheer. There's a lot of easiness, calmness, tranquility you will experience. And just imagine after that, when you're able to close your eyes and practice meditation, you may allow the ego to dissolve. So open-eyed meditation is a beautiful practice. In whatever way is possible, work on it. Work on your mind and intellect, and possibly you will experience open-eyed meditation, and that will help you to gravitate to the meditation we've been talking about in our series. Work on it. I'm sure you will have a great life. Hari Om.